Yan, bago ako balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga. Today, we are celebrating the anniversary of Crack San Fernando branches. No? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jenra Branch nila, which is located dito sa OG Road ng Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Congratulations, Crabs and Crack! First time yung NLE naman?
Dito, pero sa Primus, second time na.
So dito, first time dito. So third time all in all. Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa ano sir? Sa Crack and Crack?
Spicy.
Spicy garlic?
Spicy garlic.
Okay, babalik-balikan talaga sir. Alright, sige po, thank you. Ano ka rin po, Miras? Nino kaya ka Maragul tayo ma'am? Ayun guys, another branch ng Crack San Fernando dito sa San Fernando is yung Primus Medicus. Pinaka-landmark niya is just across ng Mother Teresa of Calcutta Hospital. As in, like every month ma'am, malyaring ako pumunta. Wow! Talagang enjoy naman po, enjoy. Okay, thank you po!
Welcome to Crack San Fernando Primus Branch!
So, if you guys imagine, this place is where it all started. This humble place, this humble room. Right now, meron silang tatlong branch. Meron sa the shops at Infinity, meron din sila sa Jenra Dolores intersection, San Fernando, Pampanga. And then the first branch is the main branch. This is a Primus Medicus building. So there you have it guys, thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and yung mga friend mo na nag-crave mo na ng seafood, make sure to check out Crack and Crack for all of the 3 branches. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out guys.